IPOB warn Nigeria government to stop tagging them terrorists and stop killing their members. They say Biafra UFO don't capture Nigeria bømɓ for air. No be small thing, no. They say one of our river brother don't come outside. They in people wey still dey sleep and they claim say they from Benin. Say make they stop am. Say if you hear am for their mouth again, say their madioha go visit them. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey they come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Ebeni Kwezioku. Here we dey bring you ogbonge news of things where they happen all over, things where you no know about, and with wetin you supposed to know. Now we dey here they bring for you, may you know wetin they go on. No be small thing, no. Before we quickly jump into the matter where we get for hand today, if you know say you never give this channel a follow, yeah, quickly go do so. And also subscribe to our channel immediately as it is hot. Let's quickly jump into this ogbonge news where we get for our hand now. They say that stop tagging us as a terrorist and killing our member. IPOB warn Nigeria government after court ruling. And so it dey happen after court ruling. Say IPOB don't come outside, content Nigeria government, may they stop, they call them terrorists, and stop they kidnap and they buy their members for backyard. As it dey hot, we quickly jump into the next one. As it dey hot, they say the PM will be Simon Ekpa don't tell Nigeria government say the UFO of Biafra is at work for air. As it dey hot, we read and come outside as it dey talk. They say tell the terrorist government, Nigeria army, that this is their bomb. We captured it from the air. Our Biafra UFO Air Force team are at work 24 hours stroke 7. Yeah, my wonderful people. Now so PM take talk mo the PM Biafra Republic government in exile. Now so it take talk me I know if you know since say we'll get UFO. If you say we'll get them, may the country just how to use technology, because we will need them for Biafra land as it dey hot. And they say one of our Ikpere brother don't come outside. Say hi in name go be Okechukwu and the name go be Ebuka. And somebody go come they tell and say him from Benin. Even their God, waiting they call their God na Chukwu Okike, the way Igbo people call their God. And why are people fooling themselves, talking that they are from Benin? Oh, waiting this boy talk, this our brother, waiting talk, he go shokotalize you. But I go play you the video, may you watch, and may you hear waiting this our brother tell him brothers, where we say they still they sleep. True, the message of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is working. No be small thing. Okay, we'll watch the video together before we come back and continue.
I want to correct some narratives going online. I really want to correct this narrative, because they say if for some reasons when many persons carry out informations that are not true, and this information sinks into people's head with nobody coming to refute those information, at the long run, information may be adopted. That information may be adopted as truth. And this is why I need to correct it. I have seen online some set of persons coming from the Benin side making some fallacious statements about Ikwere people, how Ikwere people came from Benin and all that. My question for such kind of persons, there is a lady in particular, I can't even remember her name. My question is, we and the Benin people, we the Ikwerians and the Benin people, who is more populated? Or you're not aware that the Ikwere man is more populated both in land mass and in population? So between you and us, who is supposed to come from Ikwere or from Benin? You are the one that is supposed to be coming from Ikwere I will say that Benin man came out from Ikwere. It is not an Ikwere man coming out from Benin. Do you know what you are saying? Be mindful of your statements. So. Some of these your statements will cause a lot of problem in this country. And I call on the security, police, or wherever that lady is, or whoever that is parading it, that Ikwere man came out from Benin. They should get her arrested. Get her arrested. We are not from Benin, mind you. I am going to say it repeatedly. We are not from Benin. If even our close neighbors, yeah, if some persons will come up and say we are not Igbo, then Benin will come. Now Benin will come from. Are you okay with your head? Are you okay that you will now come up make that kind of fallacious statement online because you've gathered followers through Peter Obi's this thing? Now you've now come up with the real agenda while you open the page because you've gathered followers. And you now come up and start making this kind of ugly narrative that we, Ikwere people. Do you know how large Ikwere man is? How large Ikwere population and the landmass? You want to compare Ikwere and the Edo man? Edo that I know very well, Edo is a tribe inside Benin. Edo is a tribe. And the Edo tribe can never be, it's not as big as Ikwere. So who is coming from each other? Who is coming from where? You want to now say a Benin man that we came from Benin. Because some persons are giving you people false narratives or false information. Or you don't know where you come from, or you don't know your brothers. This was how you went ahead and started claiming that Ijaw man is from Benin. And Ijaw people warned you. Now you started the same thing again. To come and now claim Ikwere that is far away. Do you know what the might we are talking about? That we are now from Benin. How are we supposed to be from Benin? Do we look like Benin people? Do we sound like Benin people? Do Ikwere people sound like even the name you call your God? Our God is Chiokike, Chineke. These are the two things we call God. Does it sound like your God? Does it sound like the way you call God? Chiokike, Chineke. These are the two names you call our God. Does it sound like yours? And you come online to make fallacious statements, and some people are clapping for you. Those who don't even know where they come from, we clap for you. And I'm seeing some the different movement popping out. I don't know who is sponsoring it. I'm calling on you people, don't near Port Harcourt with your narrative. So you come to this state and with all those your narrative will get you apprehended. River State, Ikwere man is not a Benin man. Ikwere man is not a Benin man. We have no resemblance. We have no relationship whatsoever. Market days and all that. My name is Chime Noma Amadi. Does that sound like your name? Does that sound like your Edo's name? Or Ganeruv or whatever you people call your names? Does it sound like that? Stop it. I'm calling on the security and all that. They should stop these persons. Don't come and be making ugly narratives in Ikwere land. We know where we come from. If you say where we come from, we know where we come from. Based on my name and all that, you should know where I come from. Ikwere man came from, we are Igbos. We are Igbos. You cannot just come and be claiming what you don't know. Men no kasuna no ka right now. Ele no plan no buy ele ivo chidna yoka. Amen be time rule ka aso begin so mele ele wadu he. Ve no why like ele ma ko. Ya ke be no why. Ve chidna yoka aguzo, chidna yoka no work aguzo. Mama ko ha no me. Ya ke so live our life. That is how we continue to live our life. This person will come and tell us this one, and they will say we are from here. This person will come and tell us, yeah, well, I don't understand what we are doing in this state. Because of political reasons, we are lying here. We are lying here. Tomorrow we'll come again and say we are from this side. Is that what we are supposed to be doing in this state? We know where we are from. You know where you are from. Within me, from childhood, as I have never lived in Igbo land before. Mind you, I have not lived in Igbo land. But anything Igbo speak, anything an Igbo man speak, I hear it completely from beginning to the end. I lived, in fact, I was born in Ijaw land. I was born in Ijaw land. In Kibri, to be precise, in Biafra state. So in Mename, it's not fear that cow me. So I was born there. I know what I'm saying. Some persons have not even traveled. And those who have not traveled, parading themselves here and there, calling the Kwere people this, the Kwere people this. Stop that nonsense. It is now we apprehend some persons. The fact that Kwere man has been silent all this while does not mean we are foolish. We know where we come from. I repeat, we know where we come from. And though if you don't want to have problem with Kwere man's disease from these things people are doing, if not, time is coming, we are going to start chasing some people out of this state. I don't know if they are doing that in this state or they are staying there, because internet is a global something. So you can stay anywhere and parade your falsehood and propagate different information to lie to people. This was how you lied at Ijoma until they warned you. Stop it. The Kwere man is not from Edo. We know where we come from. For my name, you should know where I come from. Stop parading this nonsense.
Yes, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, you'll be smart, you know, you don't hear them now. The people know where they come from. They spread the ginger weed inside. Where we say na them they parade all those nonsense. I don't ask them this thing so many times. How you go to answer my name? Then you do the same thing I do. Our tradition, so many things, and you say me and you, we don't have anything in common. Then the people you are claiming that you have as a brother, that your brothers, don't even bear the same name with you. Don't even worship the same God with you. Don't even have common tradition with you. Something is wrong somewhere. When I see some people in interview coming out and say, ask them, trace the origin very well. Their father come from Hausa or Yoruba. They are not Ikwere. Their real origin are not Ikwere. Because they have found out their identity. So let them carve whatever they belong to their own people. You cannot hide origin or identity of somebody forever. The evil that the British and Nigeria government did to Igbo one day will be reviewed, because Igbo lost a lot of their brothers. Yeah, my wonderful people, share this video and let us know your opinion and your contribution regarding our video. Thank you so much.